Okay, welcome back. Before I continue, make sure you go like, subscribe, and comment there, okay? Alright, so I got this bowl. I'm gonna do take the chicken that I've washed out. As you can see, no slime. Don't put slime on my chicken. So you have to wash it to get rid of the slime.
Said I was signed, but now I see. Oh yeah, yeah. Said I was bound, but now I'm free.
Fresh chicken, no slime. None of that slime. Make sure the chicken clean good. This is what I'm talking about. This, and people eat this with this chicken on their chicken. Look at that.
Are you normal? Eh?
Hey!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Remember me always telling the people when I wash the chicken and wash it good. You see how they arm them? You lift up the arm them like that and rub under the armpit them. You see me? Cause we don't want no BO in our chicken, chicken with no frozen arm. Grab all the crutches them and wash out the crutches. You see me? We don't want no dirty crutches chicken. No dirty chicken, no dirty chicken. No dirty chicken can go in my kitchen.
Remember to go like and subscribe, huh? All purpose. So if you don't have this in your kitchen, then something's wrong with your life. For all purpose seasoning, add that in. Then if you don't have this also, then something's wrong with your life. You don't like flavor. And then obviously we're making curry chicken, so some curry powder. Put that in the chicken. Obviously salt. And then I like to add some sweet chili, rather than adding chili pepper or something. The sweet chili is obviously nicer. And a lot of people complain about the heat, so sweet chili is okay. And some black pepper. I'm too tall for this YouTube thing, right? Can't even be seen. All you see is the bottom half of me, but it's okay. Some black pepper. Obviously, I'm wearing a mask because whole COVID thing. That's why I'm not the only one that won't eat this. We're good for pepper now. Wash my hands. Okay. So taking that, just rubbing in that chicken, as you can see. Let me move this way. I'm rubbing the chicken like this. You should get all that flavor in. And then what I like to do is I like to stab the chicken. That way it gets into the actual chicken too. So I'm gonna grab it. Okay, what do you just start the meat that way. The marinade is going to get inside of the chicken. It's not just on the surface. It's actually going to get inside of the chicken because you want that flavor to get everywhere. And then we'll use chops and onion to add, and then we're going to fry it off later on. But look at that. It's nicely covered. Look at that colour. And now I give that more. Then I'll add some. I'm gonna chop some onion. give them a wash. If you don't wash your vegetables, something wrong again. Don't know if you guys know how to chop an onion, but start here, slice it on like that. And what I like to do, put down like that. It's easier to peel. Like so. Do the next thumbs. This camera keeps going out in and out of focus.
Trusting you. Set the whole world to see.
Just going that little top there. Just take the stem off. If I was making soup, I'll use that flavour. Put the stems in there, just break it apart. Take the little stem off there too. And there. Go. Broccoli prepared, just give that. Because I ain't got time to be chopping onions. That's what I do. I grate them. One, because also they what's it called, smaller, so they can't be seen, they're not chunky. And two, because it's quicker. Add that to the chicken, and at this point, if you did have, you can add some scotch bonnet, you can add some other pepper. Oh, these onions are hot. I'll show you what our looks like. So that's what our chicken looks like. Got the onion in there, got all the seasoning in there. Leave that to marinate for about 20 minutes. Get all that flavour to lock in. Sometimes I like to leave it, so if I'm going out, I'll make the marinade and leave it in the fridge, obviously covered, and then later on I can go back to it. But that's what we're looking like so far. See you in a bit. Yes, welcome back. So now we're gonna fry the chicken. So I got my pan here, it's hot. Can you turn this up a second? So I got my pan here and it's hot. I'm gonna put the chicken in there, you're gonna hear it sizzle. Are you ready? Alright. Take this one. Okay. Put the chicken here. Okay, maybe not much of a sizzle. There we go. Put the chicken in there. Here I've got my chicken, and it's just browning, as you can see. Just letting it colour. Then I'm going to flip it over the other side colour. And then in this bowl, I have some water that I've just mixed the rest of what was left over in there. And that's going to be forming the gravy once I need to put water over it. So this will be the base for the gravy. Check out colouring. A lid over it. So some colouring. That's just a bone. I thought that was a piece of long, the offal, long or guts or whatever, but it's not, it's just a bone. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sizzle. And then we'll check on it in about 5 minutes. Well, I found a way to put my face in now. So basically, Here's our chicken, as you can see. So I'm gonna open this up. And the chicken is just browning nicely into this cloth. Chicken is just browning nicely, as you can see. Move this out of the way. As you can see, just browning there nicely. Leave it for a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna add that water. Okay, time to just check on the chicken. Take my cloth. So now it's around no pink, I can't see no pink. So now I'm gonna add the water, which is gonna help form the gravy. Put that in. Gonna leave that to simmer. Wait for it to come up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, if you've got a gas, then obviously you control it by the heat. You can see the heat. But with electric, it's on 6. When it brings up to a boil, when you start to see the bubbles, from the bubbles you bring it down to 4, and you let it just simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. That way chicken can cook. The gravy is gonna start being formed. Once the chicken's cooked, you can take it out. It'll show you. Take it out and then let the gravy reduce down, and then you're ready. And you can have it with rice and peas, have it with white rice, dumpling, whatever you want. So this is it so far. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so as you can hear, my chicken's boiling. So what I've done is I brought it down to 3 on the temperature to stop obviously from burning, but you can still hear it cooking. So that chicken's gonna come nice and tender, the sauce is gonna reduce, and we're gonna have some nice curry chicken. So stay tuned. Yep, no problems with this one. It's up to temperature. Okay. Here it is, curry chicken.